I just did that. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, they almost looked like they were betting on who was gonna knock one over, and he just gave him a high five because he was right. And he's like, oh man. And they disagreed. This is the story. They bet on who was gonna knock over a cone. One of them bet me, one of them bet someone else. And the one who bet me was right, so the other guy had to go pick it up. I bet that's what happened. I can't believe I did that shit, but at the same time I do. Sorry, it's not a quiet driving video anymore. I closed the windows and started cracking up.